There he goes. You can see the waves get bigger right before he pops up. He's a little baby, isn't he? He's way ahead, way ahead. He's right here. Let's see, he's gonna get in front of me and the sun's gonna mess up the video.
Here comes the woodstork.
Cue the woodstork.
You could stand here and the columns will block it.
Mozart, get back.
Sun.
Mozart.
There are two in there. Or no, is that
That's his tail.
tail?
That's a good idea.
Here's the woodstork too.
The woodstork's so far away I can't see him in the zoom. He's on his side. He's loving that little mud bank there. Wonder what he's getting.
Mozart, think about it, buddy. Mozart?
He wouldn't jump from up here, would he?
You see the look on his face?
I mean, he'd at least...
He's so intent looking at it that he's also so goofy that he might fall off.
That's
when
true.
He decides not to jump.
But, I mean, I would think that he would at least run down to the floater. Get him, buddy. Mozart, get back. Get back.
See? I'm telling you. He's got a paw. He's pointing.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. The shepherd scared him away. Here it is.
Just come back.
Mozart,
Mozart.
don't do it.
You get a hand in that collar? A rope around the neck? Something? This is approaching the longest video I've ever taken with this camera. I'm not just going to cut me off here eventually. He must just be feasting out there.
Here comes another woodstork. Look at him glide down. Oh, it's so cool.
I didn't pick it up at all.
And there goes the...
Here comes the shepherd.
It's down there in front of him. He just passed him. Just fabulous.
What if the dolphin eats the shepherd?
I don't know.
He's way up there.
Oh, no.
He's so much smarter, so much faster than our dog.
He's gone.
Give up, Mosey. He's way down the creek now.
He didn't feel like he even needed to give him any words of nastiness, like...
Yeah, the last one kind of just stayed in front of him.